Auction set up a live auction here today. It was very, very successful. The winners there just outside the mountain. And Cody here. A young gun was back in the electric. This is E9. There's the horn and the lucky side. Bring around, stay off there, barrels Barrels all standing as they're hanging out. All right, let's pick them up. The young gun, Cody Giro, Madden Electric, one of our junior drivers, is out there flying. White shirt, but he's got an extra driver, Clayton Hart, York Production Center. He is out on his outside. He might be in the harder pack out there. And out along beside us, Kevin Hart, GX94. We won't count him out. He's on the middle now. But he's Cody Giro, Madden Electric. He's in along the way. It's a little heavier there. But out the whole York Production Center, several outside.